यश ओवरसीज़ के यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और एमबीबीएस एडमिशन अब्रॉड की सारी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहेगी।
Hello guys, welcome back to Yash Overseas. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all our latest updates. So guys, today I'll tell you these 5 points you should consider before choosing any medical universities, colleges and abroad. So guys, the first point is that you should consider if it's a Indian friendly country or not. As you all know, there was a war going on between Russia and Ukraine. हमारे काफ़ी students यूक्रेन में फंस गए थे, but due to our country's good political relations with Russia, our PM asked them to stop the fight for a moment so that we can get our Indian students out of Ukraine, and Russia helped us with that. So all we want you is to study in a safe environment, in a safe country. So please guys, consider choosing Indian friendly countries. The second point is a country which can be cost effective in terms of tuition fees, living cost and no corruption at all. You should consider that university. The third point is it is also advisable to consider countries which requires minimum documents, easy admissions, fast and short visa processes and other further process. The fourth point is to look for the proven track record of medical students. कहीं भी admission लेने से पहले we suggest you to check the track records of Indian students doing medicines, MBBS, so that जिस university और country में पहले 20 to 25 years से इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स जा रहे हैं, वो कंट्री चूज करना इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, एज इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर द इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स टू अडेप्ट द कल्चर. सो द लास्ट पॉइंट इज the most important rule to make sure you select a country which follows all the new NMC guidelines, which includes admissions only on need basis, course duration should not be less than 5.5 years, and the eligibility to practice in the same country where you have completed your degree from. So guys, ये rules काफ़ी कम universities follow करती है. So we have the universities which offers you these 5 points, जिन्होंने ये सब लिख के ऑफिशियली लिख के दिया है कि हम NMC के रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं. सो हम लोगों के पास ऐसे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड कंट्रीज़ हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक दैट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट यश ओवरसीज राइट नाउ, क्योंकि देयर आर मैनी एजेंट्स एंड मैनी मेडिकल कंसल्टेंसी जो MBBS के लिए न्यू कंट्रीज़ लेके आए हैं, जैसे कि South Korea, Egypt, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bosnia and many more. But these countries does not follow any NMC guidelines guys. So there is a saying, सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे. This is for that only. So guys, if you want to know about universities and countries where you can study MBBS without getting scammed or without any scam, so guys, please contact us, as we Yash Overseas are the official representatives of many medical universities, MBBS universities, and also a consultancy which everyone can trust. Then please contact us. The details are on the screen guys.
जिसके यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और एमबीबीएस एडमिशन अब्रॉड की सारी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहेगी. यश ओवरसीज इज़ ऑफिशियल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ मेनी गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी इज Russia, Georgia, Ukraine, Philippines, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan.